Hello traders, welcome back again. Today is the 8th of November 2024. I'm so sorry it's taking me this long to upload another video. Yeah, um, I've been so busy with other things. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all trading well. I hope you're all been profitable. Yeah, so today I'm just making another educational video for you to watch and learn how to trade profitably. So this is Euro USD on a 4-hour time frame. As usual, this is my understanding of how the market moves. It's not a trading advice, so please do your due diligence before taking any trades. And any of my recommendations you just have to do your own analysis and make sure that it agrees to your trading plan before taking any of my recommendations. Okay, so that's that out of the way. So this is Euro USD on a 4 hourly time frame. So as you can clearly see, we are on this uptrend. Okay. Um, so like I said in my previous videos, when you are trending, it gets to a point when the market has to consolidate. Yeah. So as you can see, the market was going up and then it retraced right there. Yeah. And then the level um, held. Yeah. So we had this bounce up here, bounce up there, bounce up there, and bounce up there. So this level is a good support and resistance level where the support and resistance traders will be taking long from, yeah, because the market keep bouncing up. Yeah, so once market comes back and rejects the level, they will take a long trade. Okay, so this is how the support and resistance traders trade. All right, and also in this level that has been created demand zones as well. So when the market comes down to the level, the supply and demand traders will also go long. Yeah. So this is how I believe the big boys manipulate the markets by creating such levels. Yeah. So they will induce longs and shorts for people to take them. Yeah. Okay. So let's slowly move to the right. So then after this final rejection of the level, market bounced back and broke the level right here. Yeah. So let me zoom the chart for you. So when we broke the level, what would happen? What would you do? Because I'm sure you trade like this. So once we break the level, the breakout traders will go short. Yeah. And also, if you've seen my previous videos, I've always mentioned that when we break a level, we break with a big engulfing candles like this, for example. Yeah, this is a big engulfing candle. Yeah, as you can see, there are no wicks, so it's a big engulfing candle right there. Yeah, let me zoom that out for you. I'm sure you can see it, but I'm not sure if your eyes is as bad as mine. Um, so yes, so you can see that engulfing candle right there. Yeah. So once this happens, once we have this breakout of a level like this, a lot of sellers will go short. Yeah. So a lot of people will enter and take a short trade. And if they do take a short trade here, where would the stop be? The stops are going to be above this level. Yeah. Or even above that level, depending on how big your account is. Yeah. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is basically that this level are created to manipulate um, the retail traders. Yeah. So when you see a support and resistance levels like this, they are created to manipulate retail traders. Okay. So we had a breakout. People have gone short. They've placed the stops above this high here or above that high there. Okay. So we have three types of traders. In case this is your first time watching my videos, the first type of traders are the level traders. So people that are going short and long from this level are called the level traders. The second type of traders are the retracement traders or the pullback traders. And the final type of traders are the breakout traders. Okay, so we've had this first phase, which is the level traders. They've gone long, yeah, at each bounce. We assume that they've all gone long. And then we've got these breakout traders. Okay, so the final type of traders are the retracement traders. And what happened after we break out here? We retraced and we had this rejection hit there, and then they've gone short again. Yeah, so the three types of traders have all been involved right here. Okay, so let's move slowly to the right again. Um, so basically, in a nutshell, we basically don't participate in any of this madness happening right here. Okay, so we basically stay away for all this to happen, for the level to be created, uh, for the breakout to happen, for the retracement to happen. So we just wait and watch. Because what we do know is that once we have this breakout, there are stops entering the market. So breakout traders will go short. There will be stops above here. There will be stops above there. Okay. So what we need to do is to wait for a market to push back up to take them out. Okay. Once that has been accomplished, market will come back again before we start heading to the direction that they wanted to go in the first place. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Okay, I will explain again. So let's move to the right. Okay. So right. So now we've now pushed back up. Yeah. So when we went back up, what happened was we've taken out. So when we push back up, we've taken out the stops. Yeah. People have gone short there. The stops were placed here. Yeah. Or right there at this high. Okay. So this push up here have taken all the stops. Yeah. So if they had gone, let's say for example, you went short right here at the breakout, where would your TP be? Your TP would be, you'll be targeting that low, right? That low would be your TP. But as you can see, it didn't quite make that low. Yeah. So obviously we assume that nobody took their TP from this move because that was a short move. Yeah. No one took the TP because they were expecting to go to take the TP right there. Yeah. So what they did was they broke to the upside and then took them off. Yeah. So at this time still we're not participating in the market because we're waiting for market to come back before we go long. Yeah. But if you are experienced like I am, um understanding how the market works, you would have taken a long position right there because this was the supply zone. This was the supply zone. Yeah. So once the market broke down, they left the supply zone. We push back up. Yeah. And then when we came back, you would have taken this long trade there if you understood the the big boys template. Yeah. Okay. So let's keep going. So now we've come back. Yeah. We've come back after we broke out. Yeah, to the upside, taking out all the stop losses of the people that have gone short there. Now we've come back, and this was a demand zone right here. Yeah, that you would have gone long after the market came back. Yeah, you would have taken a long trade at this demand area. Yeah. So I'll plot the demand zone for you. So this was a demand zone that you would have taken. Well, let me take this off. Okay, so this was a drop based rally demand zone, and when the market came back, yeah, you go long. Okay, so when you go long, you just your target will be that high right there, yeah, or that high right there. Okay, because the bank has gone long, so you're basically going long with the banks. Okay, all right, so moving on to the right. um so basically we achieved our profits um at that high right there. Yeah, so we took our profits at that high right there. So that was where our profit was taken. So this was our profits target right there. Okay, so then, so basically what happened right here is what is repeating as we are making this video. Um, so market pushed up again, yeah, and then we started consolidating again. Okay, so we had this push up from here. So let me take this demand zone off because we don't need it anymore. I'll also take that blue line, we don't need that anymore. So um so we came, market bounced up, yeah. So market bounced up from there and then also rejected the level there and rejected the level there and then rejected the level there. Um, just zoom that for you. Before we finally broke with a big engulfing candle. Yeah. So this was a level that they've created after they pushed the market up to the upside. Then they've consolidated the level again. So this was where we got the consolidation at, yeah, where the market were bouncing, rejecting the level right there, rejecting right there, reject right there. We also rejected right there, and three rejections on this level right there before we finally broke to the downside. Okay, so when we had the break to the downside, um, again, people have gone short. Yeah, if they go short, where would they place a stop? They'll place a stop above this level right there or above that level right there. Okay, so market went back up and did what? Retraced. Retracement traders went short. Yeah, so this is a live market, and then we have this demand zone that was left behind. Yeah, so I have gone long as we are making this video. Yeah, and my stop is below this demand zone. Okay, and my target is um so my first target is just below this supply zone, which I don't think would work. So I think this supply zone will act as a retracement before pushing up, um, pushing higher. So I think Euro USD before the end of the year would get to 1.120 mark. Okay, so I believe the market before the end of the year, the Euro USD possibly could get to this high, um, to this high, yeah, before the end of the year. Okay, so yeah, so this is basically how I trade. Yeah, so Euro USD long, I've just gone long. and I will hold on to my trade till the market close tonight. So hopefully, this will be a profitable trade. All right. So any questions? Yeah, send me, drop me a message, and I'll be glad to respond. All right. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and stay safe and trade safe. Take care. Bye bye.